Ang ulap na kuneho. Si Nonoy ay tumingin sa langit. May nakita siyang ulap. Hugis kuneho ang ulap. Ngumiti si Nonoy. Gusto niyang abutin ang ulap. Nagtanong siya sa nanay niya kung bakit iba-iba ang hugis ng ulap. Sabi ng nanay niya, gumagalaw ang ulap sa hangin. Ang ulap na kuneho. So when we say ulap, that's like a cloud. And then a conejo is a rabbit. So like a rabbit, like the cloud shaped like a rabbit in a way. Si Nonoy ay tumingin sa langit. So Nonoy is like the name of a person. And then tingin is like to like watch or look. Sa langit is like the sky or the heavens. So Nonoy is like looking at the heavens. May nakita siyang ulap. Kita is like so. So he saw like a cloud. Ulap nakita is like so. Hugis kuneho ang ulap. Hugis is the shape. And then kuneho is rabbit. So the shape of the cloud is rabbit. Ngumiti si Nonoy. When we say ngiti, that smile. So Nonoy smiled. Gusto niyang abutin ng ulap. Gusto means like. And then abutin is to like reach. Then ulap is the cloud. So he wanted to like reach the cloud. Nagtanong siya sa nanay niya. So tanong is like a question. So he asked his mom, nanay, kung bakit iba-iba ang hugis ng ulap. Bakit is like why, and iba means different. Iba-iba is different, and then hugis is the shape. So he asked his mom, why is it that the shape of the clouds are different? Sabi ng nanay niya, his mom said, gumagalaw ang ulap sa hangin. Galaw means like move. So ulap and then hangin is like the wind. So because the wind is moving, gumagalaw ang ulap sa hangin. Ang ulap na kuneho. Si Nonoy ay tumingin sa langit. May nakita siyang ulap. Hugis kuneho ang ulap. Ngumiti si Nonoy. Gusto niyang abutin ng ulap. Nagtanong siya sa nanay niya kung bakit iba-iba ang hugis ng ulap. Sabi ng nanay niya, gumagalaw ang ulap sa hangin.